When you gently grab the bar, position your hands so that they are facing forward with your palms pointing away from you. For example, keep them slightly wider than your hips. Your foot position should also be a bit wide to increase your base of support. To start the movement, lower your torso towards the floor, sticking your butt out to increase the stability in your lower back. When you pull the bar, don't bend your elbows too much as this puts too much force on the biceps, taking the tension off your back. Keep the bar in line with your hips. This allows your elbows to stay a bit more extended, greatly increasing the emphasis on your lats. For a more anatomical execution, breathe in as you pull the bar up and breathe out on the way down. This increases your range of motion and allows you to engage your shoulder blades much better, really opening up your chest. Never keep your elbows too close together. Keep your elbows a bit wider, as if on a diagonal. This will greatly increase the emphasis on your lats. Did you like these tips? Then go ahead and like and share this with that friend who always gets the bent over row wrong, and be sure to follow us for more content like this.